In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the social tab in Zoho CRM. If you want to manage your social media activity directly inside Zoho CRM, this is a useful feature to set up. It helps bring your social profiles into your CRM workspace so you can keep your communication and customer interactions more organized in one place. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you are logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to look at the top or side navigation area, depending on your layout. You'll want to access the Settings section next, since that's where Zoho keeps the tools for configuring features like this. Go ahead and click Setup. This will open the main settings area for your CRM account. Inside Setup, there are usually many options available, so using the search function is the fastest way to find exactly what you need. In the search bar, type Social. This should quickly bring up the related settings option, so you don't have to browse through multiple menus manually. When the search results appear, click Admin Settings. This is the section that gives you access to the social configuration area. If your account has the required permissions, you should be able to continue directly from here. If not, you may need administrative access before making changes, so keep that in mind if the option looks limited or unavailable. Next, click Add Profile. This is the step where you begin connecting your social media account to Zoho CRM. After selecting it, you'll be asked to link your social media profile. Follow the prompts shown on your screen carefully. These prompts usually guide you through signing into the social platform, authorizing access, and confirming the connection. As you go through this part, make sure you're linking the correct business or professional profile if you manage more than one account. It's also a good idea to review any permission requests before approving them, so you understand what access is being granted. Once you complete the on-screen prompts, your social profile should be connected, and the social tab will be available for use in Zoho CRM. That's all it takes. And that's how to add the social tab in Zoho CRM. Follow these steps carefully, and you should have everything set up in just a few minutes.